Alright, hey guys, it's been a while since I made a YouTube vlog about my dog. Still healthy. I mean, he has a little paw problem. I think it's on his left. I don't know. He is a rottweiler though, so they're prone to bone disease and stuff like that. Come on, boy. Yeah, so I recently moved to Texas. It's raining like crazy out here, as you can see. There's my dog over there. What you doing, boy? Sit. Sit. Good boy. You don't like the light. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down, boy. No, you don't want to lay down? Alright, come on. Into the rain. Ooh, it's raining out here. I don't think this is good for my phone, but hey, whatever I can do for my fans. You're drinking the rainwater, Manson? Come on now. You don't know what kind of chemicals they spraying in the skies these days. Manson, quit drinking the rainwater. As you can see, it's all flooded out here. Manson? Alright, come on. Come on, boy. Get up on the deck. Good boy. Come on up. Haha, good boy. Ooh, you need to trim your nails, Manson. You need to trim your nails. Alright, down. Good boy. Well, that's the video for today.